So today, we're actually going to be taking a look at the Melania token, which, as you can see, is associated with Donald Trump's wife, who, has launched her very own token, a meme coin. And we're going to be evaluating it today to see, in my opinion, where we might be able to find a really good entry point and, well, where it could potentially go. It's important for everyone to understand that even though this is, a meme coin, Melania Trump herself, she still holds a substantial 90% of all the tokens currently available. And this will actually be unlocked, on a consistent basis over the course of the next 3 years. So naturally, her objective here, it has to be to make it go up, right? I mean, if she whispers into her little daughter's ear in bed and says, "You Tweety my meme," what do you think Donald is going to do? Well, he's going to kill the meme, isn't he? And if you kill the meme, what do you honestly think is going to happen? It's going to go up, clearly. So if we know that it's most likely going to go up, the crucial thing is to find ourselves a really good entry point. So that's precisely what we're going to be examining today. I'm just doing my little commentary, and today that's what this is all about, stating that.